Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming versions and environment so the rest works. Check Tlauncher and Java are compatible, and that any mods match the chosen game version. Once done, close Minecraft and Tlauncher completely and disable VPNs or proxies so they don't interfere. Make sure to restart your router and PC to clear transient network state. This often solves intermittent drops. While devices reboot, note the exact connection lost message and the time it happened so later steps target the right cause. Now you'll adjust network and client settings to remove common blockers. First, flush DNS and renew your IP using ipconfig commands to discard stale routes, and then check that Tlauncher is allowed through your firewall. Add an outbound exception for Minecraft's TCP port 25565 when connecting to custom servers. Once configured, connect via wired Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce packet loss. And test the server. Finish by repairing your Tlauncher profile or reinstalling the client if needed. Create a new profile, point it at the correct Java path, and choose the exact Minecraft version and mod loader to match the server. If that doesn't work, reinstall Tlauncher as administrator after backing up saves, mods, and resource packs. If problems persist, collect the launcher and game logs, try a different server or clean vanilla client to narrow the fault, and then provide the host or support team with the log excerpt when asking for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.